a big part of our lives. Every second, our ears would pick up sound, whether it is the sound of the music you are listening to, the sound of your keyboard clicking, or even the sound of your fan spinning.
It is all sound.
Now, have you ever wondered how to describe them? What word do you use to describe the sound of water gushing? For example, us, Midhesh, Yuan, and Khang have prepared a short list of verbs, phrases, and adjectives to describe these sounds. We have all been to the beach, haven't we? In my opinion, the beach is a wonderful place. Not only is there many things to feel and see, there are a lot to hear. Just a few minutes at the beach and I'm sure you will be able to hear plenty of things. Now, here's a list of sounds at the beach. Firstly, let's look at the verbs, which include splash, the sound you make when you're splashing in a pool. Crunch, the sound of you walking on the sand. And sizzle, the sound of a nice juicy steak cooking on the barbecue. Then we have the adjectives, which include calm, peaceful, and dull. Lastly, we have the phrases such as birds chirping, seagulls crying, and waves crashing. There are also words that can be used to describe the sound of a quiet place or a place that has water. For example, a bathroom. Furthermore, there are a few words to describe the sound of a busy area. For example, it could be in a mall, a party, or a city. Here we have a list of sounds in a busy area. Here are some verbs: blare, crash, and scream. Blare can be used to describe loud music. And then we have adjectives such as ear-splitting, loud, and noisy. Finally, we have phrases: music blaring, rumble of thunder, rustling of the leaves in the wind, wailing of sirens, and people